Babe,
You're welcome.
honey. Oh my God, how are you?
I'm fine. Are you back?
Yeah, I'm back. Welcome.
You're welcome.
Hello, lady. You're beautiful. You're welcome.
Yes.
Good evening.
My cousin sister.
Cousin sister. Oh, in that position, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's fine. It's very fine. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
You are welcome. You're welcome to my house. Excuse me. Let me talk to her.
My cousin,
Hello. What's your name?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
Okay. I'm Lillian.
Oh, Lillian.
Yes, ma'am.
Lillian, you're very welcome. My name is Merit. Yeah, go ahead. My name is Merit. Yeah,
my cousin.
Your cousin.
Yes.
Your elder cousin, I guess, right?
Yes.
You didn't tell me you ever had a cousin sister.
Sorry, no,
Yeah, you didn't tell me, but it's fine. It's very fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I want you to feel at home. Come here. Don't be afraid. Sit down. Sit down.
Sit down.
Yes, I'm going to go in there and get you a very chilled Coca-Cola drink, okay? Calm down. Calm your nerves. Don't be frightened, okay?
Yes.
I'm coming.
Okay.
For the both of you. Call Coca-Cola, okay? I'm coming. I'm right back, honey.
Okay.
Let me just drop my bag in the room, okay?
baby.
I'm coming.
So what happened? I'm so scared.
Why are you scared?
Why are you really asking me that? Please, I'm not safe here. I need to go. Please, I'm sorry.
Are you going? Oh, baby?
Where is your cousin sister?
He said he has an emergency, so she just rushed to
She had an emergency
Yes,
and she was rushing to
yes, she had an emergency.
to meet up, right?
Meet up, yes. I even begged her to stay. She said no.
That's fine. Go ahead and take a drink. I brought it for the both of you. Yeah. Here.
Brought for me.
Yeah. Drink up. Yeah, drink up.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Don't drink it. Yes, I did it.
Jesus Christ.
Why won't I? No, tell me one good reason why I wouldn't. I have been receiving tons of calls, tons of messages with pictures proof that you bring in different women into my home. How could you? How could you choose to hurt me like this? How could you, Daniel? How? I hate you. I hate you.
Please. You had to forgive me. I was not with my rightful senses. I want you to forgive me. Please, I want you to have mercy upon me. I never knew what I was doing. I have failed you. I have failed you as a husband. I have realized my mistakes. Please, I want you to just forgive me. beg you in the name of God.
The only thing that will make me to forgive you is one thing. I want you to write in a note, in a foam scarf sheet, what I'm not doing right as a wife. Write it down. List them down for me. I want to read it. I want to know that I'm not doing it proper. I want to learn. I want to make amends, okay? I am not going to say what to you. I just need you to write down what I'm not doing properly. I am open to change as a wife. For the meantime, I'll be married.
You have to listen to me. Baby, you have to listen to me. I know I have failed you, please. I am begging you. Oh, God.